It's Tomi, the CEO of ChipFlow here again. How does ChipFlow work with its supply chain part? I mean, ChipFlow platform is effectively focused on the IC design area, but what about the supply chain area? You know, how do you get your chips or your designs actually manufactured and packaged and tested and etc. The good news is, in a nutshell, is that ChipFlow, out of the box, the platform, the solution, provides you as an OEM the one-stop shop for your IC needs. So design the chip with our platform or use our services to design that, and then use our supply chain partners for the manufacturing. This effectively gives or solves a big problem for many, especially SME OEMs, as an access to the whole supply chain. You know, the foundries are having to be a bit picky on who they allow as a customers, because you know that's the way that they are just set up. But the good news is that ChipFlow has a range of supply chain partners, whether that's the foundries or the OSAT partners for the packaging and etc., where we have the PDKs integrated to our platform. So that means that when you are designing your chip, you are actually designing against a particular manufacturing process and then related node and so forth. And so that means that you are effectively, when you get the design done, it's ready for manufacturing, and ChipFlow will handle all the operative parts for that. Now, the other question in this context we often hear about, well, what kind of volumes are you supporting? You know, do I need to have volumes of 10 to hundreds of millions a year in order to get access to this? Now, that's at the core of what ChipFlow is trying to solve here with its unique approach. Now, already with our partner network, we do provide solutions from a supply chain point of view for OEMs with a very limited annual unit needs. And then kind of look forward to even working with some of the bigger foundry players to enable them to be able to serve OEMs with less volume needs in a profitable manner. So effectively, don't count us out on irrespective of your volume, whether you are looking at 5,000 a year or 50,000 a year or 500,000 a year or 5 million a year. That's effectively the range that we are looking to support through our partner network. And then when it comes to the control, especially when it comes to test chips and prototypes and etc., even the larger OEM customers of ours, they just do one contract with us, including the supply chain, because it's just easier. Now, some might want to have more control for when we go towards the production volumes, because it just, you know, that's how their procurement works, or they have strategic partnerships established and etc. And that's fine with us as well. We are flexible when it comes to how do you contract with the supply chain. But as a starting point, like I said, the whole point of the ChipFlow solution is that we are targeting the SME OEMs as a kind of or through a one-stop shop for IC services or solution going forward there. So, but again, another big topic, you know, we have a very experienced head of supply chain within our team, so happy to connect you if you want to have more discussions and understand better the options, or please just visit our website chipflow.io for more information.